Hi, welcome to the lesson where I will give you a little bit more insight on how to buy domains and mailboxes outside of Woodpecker. So let's start. I recommend you to go with the proven providers that some of our customers use. So for example, Porkbun, Cloudflare, Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Squarespace. And just as with buying domains with Woodpecker, here you are paying upfront for the whole year. Now for Google, you will need workspaces where you can add domains you've purchased. In the workspace, you can buy email accounts. Best practice is to create 2 to 5 email accounts per domain. Typically, agencies in lead generation go with 2 email accounts per domain. But the more email accounts you have on your domain, the cheaper it will be, because you simply need less domains. That's the ratio you need to decide on your own. Okay, so with email accounts for Google, just start with Business Starter. If you're new, you may want to start with a monthly subscription. And the reason for that is if you burn your email account, you can actually resign on month-to-month basis. As of making these materials, the cost per Google email account is approximately $8. There are ways to get Google and Microsoft accounts actually a little bit cheaper. So for example, you can have a reseller that buy email accounts in the lower income countries for a bit cheaper. You may work with certified partners that have access to better prices, and you may have bulk buyers that buy large quantity of email accounts for the Google or Outlook reps. Lower income countries resellers usually sell email accounts with the IPs from these countries. For cold email, you may actually want to stick with US or EU-based IPs. These markets are better regulated, and usually that results in better deliverability. As for certified partners or bulk buyers, make sure that you actually research the company before the purchase. You could go with a provider like Premium Inboxes, Inboxology, or Zapmail. They claim to provide IP that are based in the US. But remember to use them at your own discretion. Now, for Microsoft, you can either buy directly from Microsoft or go for GoDaddy. Without any discount, GoDaddy account goes for $8.99 per month. GoDaddy sells cheaper than this price, $8.99, but actually those accounts will not allow you to configure DKIM. I would avoid those cheaper mailboxes, and your deliverability will thank you later. As for Microsoft directly, they sell mailboxes for $7 a month, but remember, there is no bulk discount. So that covers domains and email accounts. Now we'll have to dive a little bit deeper into the technical setup before you send. If you used domains and email accounts directly purchased from Woodpecker, it's all done for you. However, if you want to learn more about those settings regardless, just join me in the next lesson.